Welcome to Janta hot recipe. Today we're going to make a yellow bean permitting with a pork, yeah, and coconut, yes. And you will love this, yeah. And they all eat with a salad, yeah. That's all salad I have. So this is for dipping, with that, yeah. Eat with salad, yeah. And how is it taste like? Is it creamy? and it's just a little bit spicy, not too much spicy, yeah, and make my mouth water, and it creamy, and it's a hot, a little bit tiny little bit minor spicy, yeah, and a little bit sour and a little bit sweet, yeah, and it's a tiny little bit salt, yeah. See, it's everything, every flavor in here. Please don't miss it. You love it. You love it. Yes, I guarantee to you, you love it. Okay, it's just, and we got to get started now. Yeah, thank you. Right, what I got there, there's a chili, yeah. There's two color chili, yeah, which is a long green fingers, lady finger chili, yeah, red and green, and the bird chili, yeah, for the garnish, yes, and it's on one up with the coriander, second, yeah, coriander is about one bunch, no, I mean one pinch, yeah, about 10 stroke, and it's a one up there's the 2 egg, and there's the 4 is the spring onion chop, yeah, and chunky, and then the shallot or the red onion, yes, that's what is right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the ingredient, and 7, which is this coconut milk, yeah. That is a one can, yes. You can buy that everywhere in the supermarket. So this one is just a half a pound of the pork mince, yeah. I will be brown that first. I will be seal the pork mince first before I do anything, because I don't myself, I don't like to smell and pork the odor, yeah. So I have to do that first, yeah. But you don't have to. Mostly, since the Asia cooking, they don't have to do seal, yeah. Just straight to the coconut milk, yeah. So, but I do, yes. And after that, you say the yellow bean. What? Yeah, it's a yellow bean. So we're gonna make this, right? Peppermint yellow bean. So we're going to make that because today is for my tea. Yeah, well, the yellow bean I just take out from a bottle, yeah, and I prepare already. I take out the bottle and I pound them. So I pound with the pedal stone, and some of them, I have a little bit left. It's just about this one. You can put about half a cup, yeah, half a cup. I think it's about 4 or 5 tablespoons, yeah. I wash them first, yeah. I went in the tap of water, yeah. I went about 2 times, 3 times because they're quite salty, yeah. So, and after that, I will be pound them, yeah. And pound them and grind them to make a paste, yeah. And some, I left some. So okay, I leave about 1 tablespoon for the garnish. Before that, so I pound them like this, yeah, like this. That's a map, yeah. So okay, yeah, that's what we got to do now. And one more thing is I have a little bit of sugar, yeah. In a minute. Okay. Yes, also I have on my hand I have 1 huge is a white sugar, yeah, that be all, or maybe a 1.5, okay, so that's 1.5 sugar, or just normal white sugar. Now I'm going to seal a pork, yeah, I'm going to seal the pork. Seal the pork is that, and seal or bronze the pork first, yeah. And put this as a saucepan, or can be frying pan. Put a saucepan inside on a heat, and break this up, yeah. And don't worry, it's because yes, and I put a little bit of drop of water because I don't want my pork to be lumpy. I don't want my pork to lumpy, so it's just like this, yeah. Because don't worry, because all this water we will be drained away, yeah. Right. Right, between I wait for the pork to sealing, I pound the bean, make a paste of them, yeah. Yeah, this. Gotta make a paste of them. Piment yellow bean. Can buy from Asia shop. Yeah, that's be done. And pork, by the time it's do that, and pork start to boil away, and will be drained in a minute. I just want to loosen up. I don't like my pork to be lumpy, so have to be loose up like that. Can you see it? Yeah, like this. Yeah. The fries on it is supposed to be loose like this, yeah? Loose like this, yeah? Okay, now it's done. Keep out the one side, yeah? Now I'm going to put this, a coconut, one and a half cup coconut, 1.5 tin, because I have left over. Yeah. I run this a little bit. It's a little tiny little drop of water from a kettle. Yeah, I run this. So and I put this. Okay. And between is the right. And after that, we put in the bean. Yeah, put the bean in there. Put the bean in there. Yeah. Put the bean in there. Right. Another spoon for the garnish, so for the put in, because I want the whole texture. Okay. And one table of sugar. Yeah. And then boil it. Yes, the boil now. It's a boil now. It's a put this, can put a pork mint in there, break out more. Yeah. Can you see it? Yeah. Pork mint over there. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Following onion. Let me break an onion over there. Spring there. I like to use the red onion, yeah. But even if here they use red shallot, yeah. So we put it as an onion there. And then we put a chili on there. What a calorie, yeah. Coloring, yeah. See, bring this to that already. And I would like to have a little bean juice in there a little bit. Maybe put in there about quite salty. Put this as a butter. Yeah. 1 teaspoon, yeah. 2 tablespoons. Yeah, like this. Look. Yeah. And now I'm going to beat the egg. I beat the egg but I don't want the egg to be string. I don't want the egg in it to be, I don't want the egg to be curling. So I'm going to drain this coconut milk from a hot over there a little bit, yeah. Like this first. Now you can like this, yeah. Turn this as a number 4. Turn the heat number 4, and you pull and keep turning. To make, why is I put an egg? Because to make it thicker. Yeah. Yeah. And this is now pepper. The hand slip. Pepper. I put a black pepper plus the white pepper. Where's my pepper? Plus the white pepper. Yeah, it's a you option. Yeah. That's what it is. Okay, now we're just going to add spring onion, and coriander. Turn the heat off. Yeah, yeah. Let's keep a little bit, and for the garnish on the plate. Yeah. That's it. Remove from the heat. This is what my family crazy about. Yeah. By the way, this is served for meant to be deep. Yeah, served for 4. Yeah. Right. But let's have a taste. Have a taste. Right, P.S. One thing I forgot about to mention, yes. We got to put in this the sour tamarind, yeah. You can buy in the Asia shop. And I put the tamarind, yeah, 2 tablespoons, yeah. This is quite sour, yeah. And if you don't have a sour tamarind, you can use as the what is that? Can use a lemon, yeah, lime juice or lemon juice, yeah. But I put this. But if I don't have, yeah, I will be use that anyway. So that's like that. What is the taste like? Taste sour, salt, slash sweet tiny, not a kick is a sweet tiny little bit, yeah. Now I'm going to dish it, yeah. So I have a bowl over here. Cut this off first. I'm going to bowl over here now. So I'm going to dish it. Turn this gas off, yeah. So I'm going to put over here. Put over here. Can you see it? Yeah. Right. I have there's a chili, like a bird chili, yeah, over here. See this one? I call it skip, yeah. And for the garnish, yeah, for the skip, and it says why I call skip, because if you not be aware, you choose so that. Can you see it? Okay, like this, yeah. Okay, yeah, like this, yeah. And this is the one I'm just take off this chili, and this is coriander, yeah, coriander, yeah. I want to add some more because I like coriander. That is a sign of sin of Asia food, yeah. There, like this, pinch them and put this skipping chili on there, like this. All done, yeah. Click like and ring the bell, yeah. Thank you.